What's up, everybody? Joe from Joe's Golden Garage coming to you today from another week of auctioning. This is my first car of the day. 2008 Mercedes ML350. And it appears to be fairly puffy. Seems to be pretty puffy for an 08 with 153,000. Let's crank her up. Roll the window down. Windstone Residence. That's a very fancy neighborhood up here. Very expensive homes. Well, doesn't she sound nice? This is a trade-in, new car trade-in to the Marshall Mize Ford. We've got an oil change decal. We're a little past due on the decal, but it says due in 14 days on the odometer. Okay, foot on the brake, drive. Let's go for a little ride. This is a very pretty heated seats. Climate control is key. Oh my God, it's freezing instantly. We have a sunroof, not a panorama roof, but just a sunroof. Wow. Yep, don't need all that fan. This is a nice rig. Really nice rig. Rides really well. Very tight. Nice. Nice. I've never been a big ML guy. I've never really cared for them. But these 08s, these body styles, I do like a little bit. They are pretty cool. They look better than the original ones. Let's see. Do we have nav? I think so. Alright, let's gun it and see what we got here. Oh yeah. That 3.5 V6 has got guts. Man. Shoo. She's a torquey little powerful joker. I mean, for a big SUV, this may have a third row. No, I don't think it does. Let's see. Do I see seat? No. Got a lot of power for this size of SUV. Goes straight to red line. Woo-wee, baby. Yeah, man. And she's been traded in with almost a full tank of gas. That's always a good sign. Always a good sign when they're trading in with a full tank of gas. Just press the P right there for park. Let's do our little walk around. Still could never figure out if this damn thing had nav. Home? Yeah, it does. It's just not touchscreen. 2008, a little old school, but look how clean this thing is. Look at the seat. I mean, look at that damn seat. Doesn't even look like it's ever been sat in. Shoot, yeah. She's clean. Got a nice set of Uniroyal Tiger paws. Do we smell any valve cover gasket leaks? No. That's usually the big thing on these. I see a new alternator down there. man, she's quiet. And absolutely no smells. No oil, no coolant. Let's see, where's the coolant reservoir? Is she full? Oh yeah, I think oh yeah, she's very, very good shape. It's a nice little unit right here, guys. Bid to win it, baby. I'm going to bid to win. Sold the little Hyundai today. The little Hyundai Accent. Yep. You know, picked it up for $1,800 plus the $240 buy fee. Sold it for $3,920. Crazy number, right? Uh-oh, we got a finicky door. That's all right. That happens on these. They can be recalibrated. Oop, she's getting hung. Come on down, Virginia. There you go. Got a nice tow package and hitch. Looks like it's never been used. Matching uniroyals all the way around. This is a nice rig, y'all. And not a damn warning light to be found. Now that is strange. On a Mercedes of about 2008 vintage. To have no warning lights? Are you joking? Yeah. This is nice. Alright guys, like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think of the 08 ML. She's a beauty. 153,000 miles. Very average. Maybe even a little on the low side. But yeah, she's pretty nice. See you next time. Peace.